First public hearing on Sumila Ronghangpi alleged rape and murder case held at Raha. Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Karbin Live Morning News. You're with your host Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. After 20 days of the brutal incident where two men brutally burned a 12-year-old girl to death, a one-man inquiry committee appointed by the governor of Assam to investigate on the gruesome death of Sumila Ronghangpi held two public hearings on Tuesday at Raha Circle Office. Several social and students' organizations from Karbi Anglong attended the hearing with their demand of death penalty to the two accused. Among the several organizations present in the hearing were the Karbi Students Association, Karbi Students and Youth Council, Karbi Farmer Association and the Karbi Students Union. The organizations, along with many other leaders from Karbi Anglong, met the appointed officer Molloy Bora and submitted memorandums briefing him their own grievances and demands. Talking to Karbi Anglong Live, KSA President Thang Sing Timung said that the organization from Karbi Anglong are united on their demand for justice to Sumila Ronghangpi. He also said that until justice is served, his team will not stop. Meanwhile, KFA, KSU and KSYC also demanded 5 points demand charter, wherein they have strongly said that the culprits should be given capital punishment. KSYC Secretary Bipul Tiso said that public hearing by the inquiry committee will not end their fight. The people of Karbi Anglong should keep fighting till the end. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi Students Union and Karbi Anglong Sand Suppliers Association came down heavily on Sand Mahaldars and Suppliers Association advisor Jackson Kramsa for making false charges against its publicity secretary Longkiri Tiso, accusing him of illegal supplying sand. The KASSA advisor demanded unconditional apology and warned of filing defamation against him. This was stated in a press conference convened by KASSA in Tipu on Tuesday, clarifying the accusation made on Longkiri Tiso. During the press conference, which was also attended by its president Robinson Kramsa, ex-KSU president and KASSA advisor Sarim Togbi stated that several educated unemployed youths of Karbi Anglong are engaged in supplying sand, thereby creating own source of income. They purchase sand from Sand Mahaldars and supply sand to various destinations including Dimapur, Nagaland, and KASSA was formed by them to support each other. Togbi claimed that the accusation was made as KASSA did not accede to the demand of paying tax to SMSA, which was illegal. KASSA Publicity Secretary was stated that he only supplied sand he purchased from Mahaldars and informed that there are 15 forest check gates between Longnit and Lahorijan, which issues transit pass or TP challan, and no sand loaded truck go out inside without getting the challan. He said that the accusation was made because KASSA did not entertain the additional tax, which is illegal and are being imposed by SMSA to all trucks supplying sand. Further, Togbi warned Kramsa for immediate clarification of his statement or else face defamation case to be filed under Section 499 of IPC.
Itumi mohola veni tugi alang ko kan nampo pon reuti di kampo itumi lah halo alang ko reuti di rampo itum di rampo kan futuan supplier man sapon itu sapon nang ko to bote Karbi Anglong Sand Supplier ni dibutuh sebab ko tanggung ko.
Meanwhile, KASSA Publicity Secretary Longkiri Tiso stated that the unauthorized taxes were collected on issue of a plain slip without the name of authority and signature of SMSA. He also charged that Kramsa is neither a sand mahalder nor does he own a sand quarry, and therefore he is not an authorized person to collect tax on sand suppliers.
Pini larang su amai nili ke phanangkok bate kadu beyang nu ke son yalam ke chethan ke chimun kantung langkok alam the bangke patumi anang itu apor daily kasalong ke klangpon alam jayalong nili tung finance secretary ate hai kiriti su aphan nongnu ke jopon alangli Jackson Kramsa SMSC member alangli hinten alangli phan Nilitum a finance secretary kiriti so phan nongno kejo putax nili latang so mai along pinibangan ko.
News Desk report with Bikram Crow for Karbi Anglong Live. In a weird incident, 6 cows were mowed down by a speeding car in Dongmukak on Tuesday morning. All of 6 cows were killed on the spot. The accident occurred at around 6:30 a.m. on the NH36 near Thongnokbe College in Dongmukak. A car bearing registration number AS01BH9068 heading towards Dipu from Guwahati ran over a herd of cows resting in the middle of the road. The impact was so great that 6 cows were killed on the spot while another cow was badly injured. The car also suffered major damages, but the driver, identified as Executive Engineer in charge, Additional Engineer Dipu Rural Division, Bimal Sarma, was safe. Sarma was reportedly driving on his own as his driver had been suffering from COVID-19. He was on his way to Dipu for an important video conference. Sarma claimed that the accident was very sudden. He did not saw the cows resting on the road from the distance and failed to control the car when he saw the herd, resulting in the unfortunate incident.
Ini iSpot, kalau mangke so po hande gari si potong hande 4-wheeler, hande innovate hande amuni ke engineer to ho, ke bang kena petang bang aruje, mangke paprap boge bangke. John kan mane tu non ke thelo ke John hande jojoksi, ma China tu dak ahur si domlo mangke China thelong de ba patum hande patong roi to asi, hande John joksi lo thike.
It may be mentioned that the several road mishaps in the past have resulted from domestic cattle being let loose by owners. Drivers are urged to be more alert while plying their vehicles in the human habitat areas. Samsung Intis report from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.